Y'all see all these birds? Nah, I ain't finna park in that. I'ma just keep driving. And these are not the cute birds you see on the cereal box. Those are hood birds. They got sharp claws, rabies, pinned in court cases, all kind of stuff. When I saw this video of all these birds at Kroger, the first thing I thought to myself was, man, I'm going straight HEB mode. And I don't mean the grocery store. I'm talking about hitting every bird. Get off my car. This car wash was $30. Get up out of here. Oh. And yes, I will fight a bird. Was that a pterodactyl? I shouldn't have done that last joke. Now listen up, birds in the parking lot. Y'all need to leave, okay? Fly south, fly north, fly wherever. But get out of here, now. That's what I thought. Why y'all circling around in the air like that? I know y'all not about... Are y'all